Hi, my name is Bill. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the shorter lint cover screw on your dryer. The reason why I might do this is because the screw is missing, damaged, or rusted out, and your lint cover is loose. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So for this repair, we're going to open our door, and this is our lint cover right here, and back in here are where our screws are supposed to be. So this is the screw we have missing out of this area. It's causing our lint cover to be a little bit loose, and we're getting lint where we don't want it to be. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And we'll put that back in now. So we're going to get it started a little bit. And we'll just screw that in nice and tight. And tug on the protector here, nice and tight, nothing's too wobbly. Now we can close our door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.